How a handful of pistachios can help balance nutritional deficiencies. Benefits of pistachios. Pistachios play a significant role in Indian cuisine, appearing in dishes such as the creamy Pista Murg and as crunchy shavings atop traditional Indian sweets. They are widely recognized and appreciated as a versatile ingredient. 1. Iron deficiency. Pistachios are rich in iron, a vital mineral responsible for transporting oxygen in the body. Incorporating pistachios into your diet can effectively address iron deficiency, thus reducing the risk of conditions such as anemia and supporting the production of healthy blood cells. 2. Vitamin B6 deficiency. Pistachios serve as an excellent source of vitamin B6, essential for brain development, metabolism, and immune system function. Adding pistachios to your diet can contribute to fulfilling your vitamin B6 needs and sustaining optimal levels. 3. Magnesium deficiency. Pistachios boast high levels of magnesium, a mineral crucial for facilitating over 300 biochemical processes in the body. Inadequate magnesium levels may result in symptoms like muscle weakness, fatigue, and irregular heart rhythms. Enjoying a handful of pistachios can significantly enhance your magnesium intake, effectively addressing any deficiencies. 4. Zinc deficiency. The presence of zinc in pistachios contributes to the process of healing and recovering from infections. Additionally, the selenium content in pistachios serves as a critical element in numerous essential metabolic pathways, bolstering both antioxidant defense mechanisms and the immune system. 5. Vitamin E deficiency. Pistachios offer a beneficial supply of vitamin E, a potent antioxidant that shields cells from harm inflicted by free radicals. Integrating pistachios into your diet can effectively counteract vitamin E deficiencies and promote holistic cellular health. 6. Caution. It's crucial to recognize that while pistachios can aid in addressing deficiencies, they should not be solely relied upon. If you suspect a deficiency or have any health-related concerns, seeking advice from a healthcare professional is advisable. They can offer personalized recommendations and suggest suitable interventions. By maintaining a balanced and varied diet, incorporating these delightful green nuts can contribute to managing deficiencies and enhancing overall health and well-being. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new videos. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comments section down below, and feel free to stay and enjoy it until the end. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.